What's up, guys? So today I wanted to take my Mustang up this mountain road. It's a 13-mile road, just straight up a mountain. And the reason I want to do that is because this is the first time I've ever taken this car outside of town. And I've got it running well enough, and the brakes are good, suspension's good, so I wanted to see how it did on the mountain road. We made it up, but we got to make it back down, and that's going to be the fun part. That's good. Oh, wow. Hello, all of you. Wow. It's BMW day, too. What the heck? There's a car showing at the bottom. Oh, that's right, yeah. Probably opposite. Easy does it. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. So how's the drive going, Sean?
The drive is fantastic. It's a beautiful, beautiful drive. As you can see, there's a lot of twists and turns. It's a nice canyon road, and the car is beautiful. The car is fantastic. It's not a supercar, you know. It's not super fast. It's not a modern car. So we're taking this at a pretty slow speed, but there's Jason. But honestly, I mean, it's a blast. Having these views, seeing the big 53-year-old hood scoop, having a 351 V8 and a manual transmission curving through the mountains here. You couldn't ask for a better drive. It's a beautiful day. Weather's perfect, not too hot, not too cold. Got the windows down, and really just loving life in this Mustang. Just how I wanted it. No, I mean like steering input, brake input.
Oh, gotcha.
I feel the road in my legs. My legs are actually tired. I'm gonna be sore after this one. How'd she do?
We made it. She actually did pretty good. She handled everything pretty good. The transmission was good because I stayed kind of in second and third and let the engine do half the work and did half the work with the brakes so as not to overheat either. It wasn't a super aggressive drive as you guys saw coming down the mountain. We took it nice and slow, just cruising in a classic, but now she needs gas.
I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.